like and subscribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wood and Whiskey Wednesday. I'm Steven. This is Shop. This one's going to be short and sweet. Episode 21. Just about the giveaway for the wall art behind me. It is not 5 o'clock here, but it is 5 o'clock somewhere. And we're going to get started with a little bit of Crown Royal, the blackberry. And because it's not 5 o'clock anywhere, or at least here, it's a small one, but the first one's to y'all. So delish. So the last week, what we've had is a little bit of movement within the shop. This is the corner I think I'm going to stay in. Still trying to figure out this adventure. I have a little bit more time on my hands now. We'll see how long that lasts. Hopefully, y'all are doing well. But on to the giveaway. The only reason why we're here today. So this month we're doing a little bit different. Each one of the comments that were left on different videos counted as a submission. So you'll see that a couple of folks have their name on the wheel twice. The more you comment, the more submission entries that you'll have in the future. I think we're going to do it that way going forward. But let's see who won that great wall art design. Bum, bum, bum. Hey! Congratulations. Let me know how I can get it to you. Can't wait for the next one. Thank you for all of your support. Congrats on the win. Thank you for the support that you all give me. Like we said, all of this is pre-recorded. But like I said, from here on out, each video that we put out, if you put a comment on it, that will give you one entry into the next month's giveaway. What I want you to comment, what do you want to see for a giveaway? What comes up in November? Ideas. Woodpeckers, I think that's where we're going to leave it for today. I do appreciate all the support that we've gotten on the YouTube channel, Facebook, absolutely, and Instagram for the little bit that we put out there. Do want to remind you, we've got the earrings up on www.doubletswoodemporium.com. And hopefully, by the time that this is uploaded, the little pumpkins will be up there too. You woodpeckers are amazing. Till next week, we will saw, we will sand. Blackberry. Ooh, sip and repeat. Y'all are awesome. Bye.